I'm Martin Canyon, right there. And then, who else do we have here? We have one of the producers in the area, Donnie Pestrana with Irish. I think we're now open for question and answer. The first question after Steve and Marianne. Tita Chanito? Oh, really? Okay, we get a live stream, several live stream questions from your fans. Okay na? Okay.
Okay, I'll ask.
Because we're being, streamed live. Okay, I'll ask the first question muna. Tita Chanito, you wanna ask?
And I think aside from any kind of material, you would have that
voice as one of the winners poised to be able to share my talent po with other people. And mapasaya po yung mga towels, yung suporta po ng mga
best healers.
Rudy Bitug. Okay, honestly, besides Geronatics, who is your ultimate crush?
Sikot Sarah.
Ariana Grande.
Okay, yung next question is...
Really get to choose as well.
Like to play in your first movie?
Siguro po mas gusto ko po yung mga family-oriented po or kaya yung mga comedy movies. And I don't really know. Basta yung mga siguro po. Thank you. Each kid has their own unique voice to share with their... For me, hindi ko alam eh.
Your own top.
Sino ba?
Parang magtatulog.
Anong pinag-isipan? Anong tanong?
After 1 year in the business, you've been awarded Guillermo Foundation Memorial specific sa Awit Awards. Tapos you even won a lot of winner pa rin.
Ano ba yun? They're very kind and masaya po silang kasama actually. You don't really have to be a winner to prove yourself po and stay happy. Yun po.
Alright. Tama. Very good.
Wala. Ako na lang ulit. So, after 1 year in the business, you've been awarded Guillermo Foundation Memorial specific sa Awit Awards. Tapos you even won a lot of, PEP awards, popularity awards. Then, yung dream mong world tour nagaganap na, ano pa?
So, siguro po wala naman na ho akong mahihiling pa. Yun. Pero, I'm still continuing my studies and I actually graduated grade 8 po.
The managers of Darren, Sir Sammy, pwede magtanong sa inyo.
We've had a lot of fans from Gary Valenciano to Justin Bieber. We're focused on his music career right now. 5 years from now, we're seeing a lot more of successful albums, a lot of concerts here and abroad. And hopefully we'll be getting some new original compositions as well from Brian. Not only singing cover songs or original compositions from other composers, but having Brian compose his own songs as well. So we're gearing towards that. Hopefully po, ang music career will be something that we could explore 5 years from now. Original album by next year, so that's one big step forward po. And hopefully we'll be getting some new original compositions as well from Brian. We know for a fact that Brian has been learning to play some instruments. Probably that's something that we could also explore in the next few years. So we'll be seeing Brian as a full-blown musician, artist,